Alright guys, in this video I'll be taking you through on how to generate an AAB file, okay, for your Play Store before you can publish your app on Play Store. Okay, if you're just watching my video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the like button. Share your comments on the comment section. Okay, if you have any question or any contribution or anything that I need to correct. Okay, so mind you, if your app is not on Play Store, you are taking a big risk, okay, to monetize your ad mob. You cannot monetize your ad mob when your app is not yet on Play Store. Okay, so you must make sure your app is on Play Store. Forget about all those guys that tells you that they can build an app for you and they will give you like a rules to that will abide by the app that they have built for you. They will send you a VPN, they will send you a stopwatch. I should use a VPN to change your location. You should use a stopwatch to time the when to stop clicking on the ads. You know, that is called a safe clicking app, and safe clicking does not work anymore. If Google detects that you're doing a safe clicking, all your earnings will not be paid and your account will be limited. Ads will not show in your account anymore, in your app anymore. Okay, so that's it for that. Now so let's dive into the next video, the main video. That is it for now. So let's dive into the main video. Now, like I said, I'll be taking you through on how to generate your AAB file. That AAB file is used to upload your app on Play Store. Like if I show you here around there, let me show you. Go to all apps. All right, so something like this, you can see most of the app were suspended. Like this one here was suspended due to it was a copyright app. I made it myself like that. Okay, now this is a copyright app that I built, and this one is a copyright app that I built. Now this does not guarantee you not to earn on Play Store, but the thing is that when the app company they test that you're using their content without their approval, that is when they will now report you to Google, and Google will suspend your app and remove it. First of all, they will give you a warning to go and take permission, but meanwhile, if you don't take permission, and they will remove your app from Play Store. So they removed this app here, and I did another one recently. Okay, so you can see there are most of them that I've already developed. Okay, you can see this one has over 202 downloads without promotion. This one was recently, and it has over 15 downloads. Okay guys, you have to be patient. If your app is going to be on Play Store, you have to be patient. Okay, so let's dive into the main video now. Okay, so now what you're going to do here is head over to this place here, this build. Now go to generate. Okay, generate signed bundle. Oh my god, my battery is low. Okay, now go to next. So now you are going to select a folder, create a new folder. Okay, make sure you know the folder, mark the folder you selected before. If not, if you afterward, if you want to update your app and you go and select another folder, it will not work. Okay, you cannot upload it because you are changing the signature of the app. So let's go there and then go and select. You're going to select where we have this app. Okay, the folder that we have this app. So I'm going to look for it. I think it's under download this lover. Okay, now go to apps, go to release. Okay, now on this release, now select it and then write release over here, and then click on OK. Click on OK. Then now let's go to add your password. Guys, make sure you remember your password. Don't forget it. Don't forget your password. hold on, it's like I made a mistake on this. Now select the name of your company if you're a company owner, or you can just write your name there. Okay, I highlight it and then copy it. The next one, paste it here. The next one, paste it here, and then under this place write your city. Then write your state, your province. Then write, this place is where you're supposed to write your country code. So like in Nigeria, our country code is, the country code is +234. Okay, but here you're not going to add the plus sign, so you're going to remove the plus sign and just write 234. Now click on OK. All right, so we are set. Then check this, remember password. Okay, and then go to next. Okay, now select this and then create. Now guys, this is going to take a few time, so I'm going to pause this video, or okay, let me pause it and then get back when it's finished loading. Alright guys, let me show you something. Like I explained on this this thing, my console. Like I was earning with this app before it got suspended, but I made a new one. So let me show you the earning. Okay, let me take you to the earning. All right. Alright, so this was last month. This is what the amount I earned last month before it was it was suspended, and this is the amount I earned previously, like 2 months ago. Okay, let me go to payments. It's loading. So this is the amount I made 2 months ago with that copyright app. Okay, if you want to know how to build those kind of app, how to use it and earn legitimately without any problem, okay, not safe clicking, then you can hit me. I have my number on the video. You can just message me on WhatsApp. Okay, you can just write me on WhatsApp. Alright, mind you, building of that this kind of app is not free. Building of this kind of app is not free. Okay, it's not free. So when you're coming to my DM, make sure you are well determined, you are serious. If not, I will not respond to you. Alright, so let's go and check if it's done. Alright, it's done. So now let's go to click on locate. So when you click on locate, it will take you to the release folder. Okay, now you open the release folder, you will see your AAB file. It's not this one, but do not delete this, leave it like this. You will see your AAB file. So this app is named AAB, that's what it's called. Now you're going to use it to to publish your app on Play Store. This is what all we need to use and publish. This is all we need from our app to use it and publish on Play Store. So that will be all for this video. Maybe in the next video I will do the uploading. Okay, the Play Store uploading, how to upload it on Play Store. All right, take care guys, make sure you subscribe.